Hello, YouTube friends and family. I am not trying to be too loud. Cameraman is asleep. It is 11:47 in the evening or in the nighttime. But you know the nighttime is the right time to do one of these hauls. This stuff is sitting in here. I'm determined. I still got Walmart from what? 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Still got it over here. I got to get it together. I say I'm cleaning my office because I don't want the cluttered feeling. It's time for me to figure out who, what, when, where, and how I'm putting up these Christmas trees this year. So I need to start wrangling it in and getting it together. But I do have a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree, yes. You know, we can still rock with the Dollar Tree every now and then and again. And I don't know why I bought this, but I am a checklist kind of girl. If I really want to get a lot accomplished in a day, I will make a list the night before or make a list in the morning. Or if I'm going out in the garden so I can stay on task and get everything done, make a list. So I like to keep these around and want to be able to make them at will, make them whenever I need to. So I did grab an extra one to have. Probably got a whole stack of them somewhere. I need to get organized because I am not getting rid of all my stuff. No, I'm not. But I do need to organize it so I don't keep buying the same thing. So my baby needs to explore more teething ring options. So I did grab this teething ring for the baby. So I am going to get that over to him. And then I did grab. Now the toys and games we know are $1.50. But I did go ahead and get these Friendship Talk conversation cards. There's a 108 prompts in here, and for some reason it's written in French too. T'aimer la métier. So maybe it has French on one side, but this is a cool gift. And then I did buy the book club kit for someone, maybe me, I don't know. I'm not having a book club. I don't have time to read. I wish I did. But I did get this book club kit. And then I'm going to have a Christmas of giveaways. Christmas of giveaways. So that's why I try to get 2 of the good stuff. And I did get this Onyx Nail Necessities kit. And I got 2. One for the giveaways. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. This is really cool. It has a little pouch to keep these things in and all of the necessities. Cuticle pusher and everything. So I do like this. I really do. Think that is very high end, worth more than $1.25. So I did grab 2 of those. And oh, okay, so here's the other conversation card. So everything is $1.25 unless I say it like this. It's $1.50. And this is the icebreaker conversation cards. Let me see if I can open them without tearing them up, so I can see what it's all about. So let's have an icebreaker. Let's go ahead and answer this question in the comments. Let's answer this question in the comments. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? Go ahead and answer that in the comments. I don't know what mine would be. I guess my superpower I would want is to travel through time. Go back and correct mistakes. That's what I would want. Even though I don't regret the mistakes, I would like to go back and rethink some of the things I've done in my life. What would your superpower be? So, I did see these. and I want to try them. I have ear issues, very bad ear issues, but I do not like anything in my ear regardless. And I say I'm going to put this, because it has little fins and the little brushers and the scooper to get all the, the crud out your ear. So that's going in my first aid files. What is this? Okay, so I got a couple of things going on in here. It's like, okay, so I did find these. So these are oil blotters. Now, Mary Kay has sold something like this for years. And of course, it's not $1.25. I only found one random one floating around in the store. Did not see a whole display, but it's by Bloom Naturals. And there are how many oil absorbers in here? It doesn't say how many are in here. It doesn't. But it looks to be a decent amount of them. But those are the oil blotters. And then we have, now it's only $25 haul, mind you. We have the makeup. So I did get this volume defining and volumizing mascara. Hadn't heard any reviews about it, but I thought I'd pick it up. Because the Marie Claire is going like hotcakes. Everybody's picking it up, but nobody's reviewing it. I think I did see a review on something, but it wasn't the mascara for sure. It was the makeup. It was actually like the highlighters and the blush. I saw, oh gosh, I can't think of her name, but she's a big YouTuber. And she actually put on the makeup because it's not made for me. It's not made for this skin tone, okay? So, but mascara is for anybody who wears mascara. So, I saw this. They have the Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail polish. And this is the Reese's line. So, they had a lot of this. They also had Beetlejuice with little black white silver flecks in it. I probably should have grabbed that. That would have been a nice giveaway item. But yeah, I thought this was a very interesting color. It's white. What white has to do with Reese's, I don't know. But it looks to have like a slight pink hue to it. But thought that was cute. And Insta Dry normally retails for about $6 at Walmart. And at the drugstores like Walgreens and CVS. So this is a 90 count of the Firefly Baby Shark flossers. So this is great to get kids into flossing their teeth. Then, hold up. You know what? Okay, no, that was another haul. I'm getting so confused. So then we have the cleaning section. I do not like that they raised their prices to $150 in the cleaning section. However, some of the stuff may actually be worth $1.50 if you cannot find it on Dollar General's dollar aisle. Some of it. Them little tiny bottles of things, no. If you're in a crunch on vacation, need it like that, then maybe. But not as an everyday, this is where I get my little bitty dish detergent from. No, that's not what we do there. Okay? But I did go ahead and grab this Works Living Scent Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is a full-size bottle, 24 ounces. And the Works has been around since the 80s. I promise you. I used to clean toilets with this as a kid in the 80s. So, it's a very tried and true product. So, I just never saw it in a lemon scent. It's just the Works and no scents. But that is a lemon scent, so I would love to see if my bathroom can smell like lemons, okay? And then we have this. So this is huge. I think it's bigger than when they brought this out before. It says new, yeah, but it has 160 wipes in here for $1.50. So if you do the math, that's a little less than a penny a wipe. Okay? But to have them to toss and in this in this sense, it is pretty much cheaper than buying paper towels. You can wipe down your surfaces, wipe down your kitchen when you drop stuff, make the kids start wiping up behind themselves, and 160 of them should go a long way. So I did grab one of these, but I'm hoping that Dollar General will bring this out for $1. It was one Dollar General product, the foaming toilet bowl cleaner, and it was like following the pink stuff dupes. If you see that, get it. I love it, and I have not been seeing it. I don't know if they got rid of the pink stuff dupes at the Dollar General. I haven't even seen it anymore. I first bought it at the Dollar General. I've never seen it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm hoping they would bring that. Now, if they brought that into the Dollar Tree, I would pay the $1.50 because it's a hard to find product, and it really works. It really works. But it's called a foaming toilet bowl cleaner. It's powder in a bottle about this with a curved top, and it is about that's yay big, and it works. I want to find it again. I actually just used the last of it, and it foams up, and it really helps you clean your toilet and get it back spick and span. But I'm looking at, I believe, I don't know if Dollar Tree is going to come out, but if they do, I'm going to be on top of it. So now we have the food. So, I did grab this again. I did finish it. It was good. I get my flavored creamers, and I have it over ice. And I actually do like this. So I just grabbed one because I'm liable to get tired of it eventually, but I like it now while it's there. And I saw it, and I say, ooh, I'll do that again. Yes, I did. It's late, y'all. Can you tell? But I did that. And then I saw this protein oatmeal. So I thought this was a pretty good thing to try. It's instant protein oatmeal, banana caramel nuts and seeds, 18 grams of fiber. Ooh, excuse me. Did I scare y'all? I'm not editing that out. It's dusty in here. I need to clean up. So, it says 9 grams of protein per serving. 5 grams, only added something, sugar. 5 grams of sugar, 9 grams of protein, and 18 grams of fiber. And of course, this is one serving, 270 calories. And it says whole grain oats, banana, sugar, milk, cream, sea salt, almond, cashew nuts, raisins, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. And it says contains milk and tree nuts, almond and cashews, and processing a facility that also processes wheat, soy milk, sesame, mustard, tree nuts, and peanuts. Product of India. Okay, so it's in a pouch, and you just empty it and pour boiling water up to the mark. I like this, but it's expensive for $1.25. I will say that it's probably not as expensive as the retail price, but I said I had to try at least one for $1.25, and it's only 2 ounces of food. And the expiration date, best before June 26, 26. June 26, 26. So I thought that was a pretty good find. And then they had more of these, but I only bought 2. And it is the honey Thai chili. That's what my choice, because I wasn't going to buy the whole line. And the Sriracha ranch sauce. The Sriracha ranch sauce. So I did grab 2 of those. I was not buying all of them, because most of them, everything was hot. So I don't know. Is it hot? Have you tried them? Because I'm scared to get something that's too hot and not like it. Plus, that's a little low bottle for $1.25. Very little. Let's see if I do anything with this. And if you check out my Dollar General haul, you'll see why I bought this. But let's see if I do anything with it. Salted caramel. Salted caramel frosting. I am absolutely excited to try this. And you'll see it's coming up. But salted caramel frosting. It's salted caramel season. It's fall, y'all. It is fall, y'all. Okay? So that is it for the haul. Like I said, I only spent $25. This was the second trip after spending like $50 within 10 days. And no, within days. Because I went on Monday. I went on Sunday. And I went on, the following Wednesday? I don't know when I went there. But I know I went on Sunday. And then I turned around and went on, had to be Wednesday. Yeah, it was Wednesday. It was Wednesday. So, that's it. And you'll see this haul hopefully tomorrow or Sunday. This is Saturday night. I'm trying to make it all right. Clean up this mess. I'm trying to clean up this mess. So, y'all will get this hopefully tomorrow. And I hope you enjoy this video. And as always, prep and pray. And let's have that conversation in the comments below. And plant a seed. Plant a seed. Plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.